Welcome to Learn Kids Easy. Let's have fun learning together.
Hello kids! Let's learn the names of birds today. Ready? Swan. S-W-A-N.
Swan. Flamingo.
F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O.
Flamingo.
Eagle. E-A-G-L-E.
Eagle. Vulture.
V-U-L-T-U-R-E.
Vulture.
Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T.
Parrot. Duck.
D-U-C-K.
Duck. Duck. Owl.
O-W owl. Owl.
Owl.
Bat. B-A-T.
Bat. Peacock.
P-E-A-C-O-C-K.
Peacock. Peacock. Pigeon.
P-I-G-E-O-N.
Pigeon.
Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-R-O-W.
Sparrow.
Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-E-C-H.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Hornbill. H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L.
Hornbill. Macau.
Macau. M-A-A-C-A-W. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y.
Turkey.
Hen. H-E-N.
Hen.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Learn Kids Easy.